In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce product categories. If you're an online store owner using WooCommerce, managing your product categories effectively is an essential task that can help streamline your store operations and improve the user experience for your customers. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To begin with, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see a range of options on the left-hand side of the screen. What we're interested in is the Products option. Simply hover over or click on Products to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, select Categories from this menu. This step will take you to the Categories page, where all your existing product categories are displayed. On this Categories page, you'll notice a list that showcases all the categories you've created so far. This list is crucial as it provides a quick overview of how your products are organized. Each category is listed with its name, description, and the number of products assigned to it. You can click on each category name to view more detail or to manage individual settings. Now, if you need to create a new category, look over to the left side. There's an input section for adding a new category. This is very straightforward. You'll need to type in the name of your new category in the Name field. It's a good idea to choose a name that is clear and descriptive, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Next, you have the option to add a slug, which is the URL-friendly version of the name. It's typically all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. If you're unsure about this, WooCommerce can automatically generate a slug based on your category name, so you can leave it blank if you prefer. There's also a parent category option. This is especially useful if you want to create a hierarchy within your product categories. For example, if you have a main category for clothing and you're adding a subcategory for t-shirts, you can select clothing as the parent category. Don't overlook the description field. Adding a brief description here can give customers a better understanding of what types of products they might find within the category, and it can also be beneficial for SEO purposes. Lastly, if your theme supports it, you can add a category image. Just click on the Upload Add Image button to select an image from your media library or upload a new one. After you've filled in all the necessary information, simply click on the Add New Category button. Your new category will now appear in the list and is ready to be used when adding new products to your store. And there you have it. Managing your product categories in WooCommerce is a simple yet powerful way to keep your inventory organized and improve the shopping experience on your site. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.